Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome to the tutorial. Today I'm going to make a good recipe for us with a combination of these and this. So and some of those little things that I'm going to add to it. Now let's the game begins. Let's go. Start this, don't forget you first have to cut it up, then cut it to any size that pleases you, any size you want. Yeah, let's go. Cut it to any size that pleases you. So this is my own size. This is my own size. So continue this process. So having cut it all, boiled something, you can see I added salt a little, then you pour water a little just to wash it up. Pour water a little just to wash it up. So having done all of this, get it from the water. Having done all of this, pack it from the water and throw away the water. And the next plan is to just pour it in the pot and boil it. Pour it in the pot and boil it. So we are going to boil this. Let's go on. So slice the tomatoes. Make sure you slice the tomatoes to your taste. Slice the tomato to your taste, and also add some percent of onions. So you add some percent of onions. Yeah, this portion is enough for me. You can add more than this. Okay. You can add more than this, but for me this portion is enough for me. So I'm going to add a little fresh pepper, and watch how I cut that carefully. I've added some percent of fresh pepper, and you see this mixture. So let's get to see what we have put on fire. Let's get to see what we have put on fire. Now you see. So we're not going to turn this into the fire though. We'll add let's say 1 Maggi to the pot. Yeah. Now you see this. I'm going to add this is now Maggi. I'm going to add it to it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to add this to it. So I'll get to mix it very well and carefully. Yeah, I hope you're following up. Just to scoop in some percent of salt. Having done that, we look at what we have boiled. The yam, what we have boiled is what we have boiled. Then we turn this inside. See, turn this inside. Have you seen it? So we'll mix it. Properly. I'm going to mix it properly. I'm going to scoop it. But what happens next? I'm going to add some egg. I'm going to add some egg to it. You see. Going to add some eggs to it. Yeah. So you can add as many eggs as you want. But always gauge it. Let it not be too much. Always gauge it so that everything work fine. So having done this now, I'm going to kind of mix it seriously. Okay, let's see. I'm going to, you cannot see it. I have mixed it seriously, completely. Everything's in order. Okay, I will now scoop in some percent of ghee oil. Scoop in some percent of ghee oil. Yeah, scoop in some percent of ghee oil, and I'll turn it very well again. Then we go to fire. So guess what? To my frying pan now. So having dropped my frying pan on fire, I now add groundnut oil. Watch this. It's been added to fire. You watch how we carefully control this. You watch this. So you can see it boiling. You can see it. This is what we are preparing. What it looks like. So to the end of it, this is what we have prepared. You can see how good it is, and it's going to be very delicious. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop anything like this, it will get to you immediately. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with these tutorials from the beginning of this to the end. Thanks. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Right. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye. Jesus.